So, I welcome you to the lecture series on Introduction to Cybersecurity. And today, our topic is Hacking a Network. And I hope you all know that this is coming under the basic dynamic analysis of malware portion. So, myself, Dr. Bora, let's start today's lecture. Faking a network. So, usually, network is faked, means the malware communities tries to fake a network to avoid the detection. Well, so for that, malware communicates to CNC server. And you know what is CNC server? A CNC server, that is a command and control server, is a computer controlled by an attacker or cybercriminal, which is used to send commands to systems compromised by malware and receive stolen data from a target network. So, this term is very important, CNC server. So, you got it that this is a computer which is being controlled by an attacker. Uh, this is used to send commands to system compromised by malware and receive stolen data from that targeted network. And many campaigns have been found using cloud-based services such as webmail. Then we have file sharing services as CNC servers to blend with normal traffic and avoid detection. So first point, you got that CNC server is maximum time used for faking a network to avoid a your means detection of your network. Then what you can do with this faking a network, you can create a fake network and quickly obtain network indicators without actually connecting to the internet. And these indicators can include DNS names, IP addresses, and packet signatures. I hope you all know what is DNS. So if you know it, then write one sentence definition of DNS, means why we use DNS. So host only networks are the choice for malware analysis. Now we have different tools for performing this hacking a network, and APAT DNS. This is one famous among them, and this is the quickest way to see DNS requests made by the malware. And this spoofs DNS responses to a user specified IP address by listening on UDP, user data protocol port 53 on the local machine. And it responds to DNS requests with DNS responsive to an IP address what you will specify. So that is APAT DNS, usually used to spoof DNS responses. You will see its screen like this one. Okay, so capture windows, DNS host view, you see that domain requests, then DNS return. Well, then we have DNS reply IP. So, okay, so these are the different parts of this skin of APAT DNS. Then we again have Wireshark, and this is one of the famous packet sniffing tool, and it intercepts network traffic. To use Wireshark to view the contents of a TCP session, you just right click on any TCP packet and select Follow TCP stream. Okay, TCP stream. So again, Wireshark is a packet sniffing tool. So guys, I'm giving you an overview, and you believe me, these are very easy to use. So you can just make a Google search, and you can means go through the instruction procedure to install it and to see how it works. Okay, so you will find a window like this. See, so then we have INetSim. INetSim stands for what? Internet Services Simulation Suite. And this is a free Linux based software suite for simulating common internet services. And of course, I am giving the link to download it. Okay, in the description box. So go and check it. And the easiest way to run INetSim if your base operating system is Microsoft Windows is to install it on a Linux virtual machine that we also used to do while learning Linux through a VMware or Oracle box. Then set it up on the same virtual network as your malware analysis virtual machine. It does best to look like a real server, and it can serve almost any file requested. So this is the link, and I am giving the link in the description box below, so you can check it. So these are the different tools by which you can do one thing. What is that? Faking a network. Okay, usual to avoid detection of your network during the malware analysis. So I hope you have got use of this terms I have described today. Okay, so coming to the end of this lesson of means basic dynamic analysis of malware, I hope you have got every topic I discussed through this lecture series. So as this is the last lecture of this module, so coming to the question of this lecture. So first of all, what do you understand by faking a network? That is the question number two. Means why you are doing this, why you are trying to fake a network. Okay. Then second question, why we need to use Wireshark and INetSim. Guys, believe me, you please go through some Google search on this, try to install this and try to see the basic instruction how it actually works. Okay, and the download portion and the installation portion is very easy. Okay, so answer the questions, I'll check. So that's it. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.